Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are going to be making some chicken scampi. So let's jump right into it. For our ingredients, we have boneless chicken, salt and pepper, olive oil, we have garlic that we minced, we have chicken broth, we have 1 lemon, white wine is optional, but I use white wine. We have unsalted butter, fresh parsley, chopped, white rice, grated Parmesan cheese, and let's move on to making this delicious chicken scampi. Okay, so the first thing I did was we cleaned, rinsed, and chopped up our chicken into long chicken strips. The next thing you want to do, you want to pat your chicken breast dry, and that's what we did. We did not show that part, but here I'm going to go ahead and start to season my chicken. And this is some all-purpose seasoning that we are using. Here we're adding some garlic powder and some onion powder. Here we add some salt and some pepper. I did add a little bit of seasoning salt. And here I'm going to put about 2 teaspoons of olive oil into our chicken. I'm just going to cover my chicken with its seasonings and the olive oil. You want to make sure that you rub it in really good and make sure that everything is evenly coated. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do, we're going to move on to pan frying our chicken. So on a large skillet, we're going to heat our olive oil over medium heat. We're going to add our seasoned chicken strips to the skillet, and we're going to cook anywhere from 4 to 5 minutes until your chicken is golden brown on each side of the chicken strip. So this is how I like my chicken. You can see the nice brown on it on some of the chicken. Is not too brown. We're going to remove our chicken from the skillet and set it aside. In our same skillet, we're going to add our minced garlic, and we're going to cook for about 1 minute until it is fragrant. Next, I added some chicken broth, and then I'm going to add some lemon juice, and I'm going to pour in my white wine, and I'm showing you the type of white wine that I did use. This is a real easy, quick meal that you could prepare in about 30 minutes. It does not take that long. Everything does take a little preparation, so that takes a little bit of time. But once you have all your ingredients and the things that you need to cook your chicken scampi, it goes really quick. And this is real easy. Now we're going to scrape up any brown bits from the bottom of our skillet from pan frying our chicken. And once you pour in your white wine, you want that mixture, your chicken broth, your lemon juice, and your white wine, you want it to simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes so that it reduces the liquid slightly. And here I'm going to add back in my chicken, and here I'm going to add in my butter. And we're just going to mix that around to make sure that our butter is melted really good. Now you want to coat your chicken in the sauce. Now I did cook my chicken until it started to simmer. As you can see the little bubbles. We're going to sprinkle some chopped parsley over the chicken just before serving. And I did sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan cheese on the top. This is the way I choose to make my chicken scampi. Everyone is different, but you could add rice to the bottom of this and soak up your juice. But I like my rice, I like a little bit more sauce on mine. You could reduce the sauce if it's too much for you. This is how I like my chicken scampi. So today, we made chicken scampi. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. If you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.